Some simple leg conditioning exercises. We start with the single leg raise. You can bring your feet close together and place your arms close to the body with the palms facing down. Your neck is relaxed, your toes are pointing up so the feet are active. Now, inhaling, lift the right leg as high as you can, and exhaling, lower it down. Then do the same with your left leg and exhaling, lower it down. This can be done repeatedly 5 to 6 times. For the leg conditioning, we have some simple dynamic exercises like the leg rotations as well. You bring your feet close together, keep your arms close to the body, the palms facing down, the neck should be relaxed. Now, with your right leg, make clockwise rotations, inhaling upwards and exhaling downwards. You can repeat this 5 times, and then you can do the same thing on the other side, opposite side. So, counterclockwise can also be repeated 5 times. The same can be done with your left leg. So take your left leg, rotate it outwards first. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Just repeat it like the right leg. And then the same can be done in the opposite direction. Make a big rotation, as big as it is possible for you without bending the knee. And then you can relax your left leg also. Make sure your body feels comfortable after you have done it.